The ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet with many health benefits. The goal of ketogenic diets is to put the body into a state of ketosis through a very strict diet that is low in carbs. Normally, our bodies use glucose from carbohydrate foods as energy. When glucose is absent, a process called ketosis takes place. Fats are used as the body's main fuel source instead of carbohydrates in this condition. Whenever we don't eat carbs, the liver breaks down fat stores to produce energy. As a result, energy is created in the form of molecules called ketone molecules.
It has been shown in several studies that keto diets help you lose weight and reduce your risk of certain diseases. Although this is true, before attempting to use the diet for medical reasons, it is important to consult a medical professional.